What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. Today's adventure, riding shoes. Yeah. Not any riding shoes. Indian riding shoes. I'm like, Bearded Bobber, why are you covering that one up? Well, I'll tell you, kind YouTuber. What do you guys see? What do you see? I didn't flip the damn image. Somebody did. Ooh. Oh no. I honestly noticed this the first time I went to put them on after buying them. But it doesn't bother me, honestly, at all. It is what it is. Simple mistake. Probably noticed like a few stitches in. And they just kept going. The best part is it says genuine brand. Since 1901. Any motorcycles. Quality goods. Still quality. Human mistake. Human error. It happens. These are a riding shoe. I don't need both of these. Why I got both of these here? Put one over there. This is a size 12. I usually wear probably an 11 wide or 11 and a half wide. So I had to go a little bit bigger. I do have a little bit of space in my toes, but being a bigger guy and having wide feet, I went with what fit. I had another pair of riding boots that I love. They're getting a little worn down, and they were wearing my foot peg down. If you've seen my my install for the foot pegs, put that up in one of the corners. You'll see that my foot peg was kind of destroyed on one side, the main side where I shift, and it was getting a lot of movement. That texture from that boot was tearing it up. This has a nice texture to grip, but it's not super crazy and abrasive to try to hurt my foot pegs. Another really cool thing, as you can see, this area right here is an open like mesh area, not super open, but super breathable. It feels great when you want that air on your foot. But if it's cold and you get stuck in the cold, your feet are gonna freeze. So remember, this is a riding shoe. Kind of gives you that riding style look. For us that wear Converse or DC Vans, it gives us that style, but at the same time gives us some ankle protection, a good grip to ride with, and some nice airflow. Your feet getting hot while riding can suck, so this is a very good answer for that. Indian has other riding boots that I have not gotten to try yet, so hopefully I will. Keep an eye out for that logo. The attention to detail is very nice on these, though. You have the nice little Indian motorcycle logo right here. Not too big, considering you already have the one there. And on every little ring, it says Indian Motorcycle 1901. I think that's pretty awesome. Very good style to these. Let me know what you guys think. Is there any other good riding shoes that you guys have tried? I haven't tried any other big brands. I have a big trouble finding shoes that fit my feet. So another good thing with this mesh on the outside and on the back is it gives a little bit more of a stretch where you're not sitting there tearing up the leather or tearing up the sidewall of whatever the boot shoe may be made out of. So for wide feet, these get my approval. For hot feet, these also get my approval. So once again, these are the size 12. Europe, it's a 46. Is that what that is? In the UK, an 11. I don't know sizes like that, but it is what it is. I wonder if there's a little note under there saying like, please help. That's not good. Get my good side. Alright, YouTube. You know what's coming. Stay safe. Stay classy.